Hello everyone. Oh, this video goes to our thrift users. Okay, good news to everyone. We have some few updates for our thrift users as well too. Okay, so for the thrift users currently, once you go to thrift, you are in your Easybalanc application, you go to thrift. Notice there is something here. Can you see that? Yeah, that place you'll be able to download each customer's account summary. That is what that does. Be able to download each customer's account summary. You can see I have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 accounts that I've created for a customer here. I need to. So once you just click on it, okay, it gives you the account, the name of the customer, the thrift type they are doing with you, their current, the total amount they've saved with you so far, the total amount they have withdrawn from you so far, the total payout you have done perform on the account so far, and the total commission you have gotten from them, each of them so far, and the total balance of each of them, of each of those accounts. So we have this report here now. So this is available for now on all plan, but very soon we're going to move this to a different plan, because this we just want everyone to have a feel of it, and we put it to the appropriate plan that it should be. Okay, that is, and then you can decide to download. Yes, you download directly. Okay. Okay, that is that. About that, you have the PDF already here on your phone. Yeah, once you download it, you will see it. Okay, now another update that we have here, notice this place. Yeah, you can write here search customer name directly. Yeah, you say Mr. Oluwole. So, and then it brings just Oluwole out. So making users experience much more easier and smooth. Okay, that is another good one. Another update that we've done now is we have introduced commission. We have introduced commission. Yeah, extra commission. Let's see. We have introduced extra commission. Now look at this section now. Yeah, this basically is applicable to. You can decide to set up your when you are creating an account, right? When you are creating an account, when you are creating a thrift account, you don't put the commission, just put the commission at 0, and at each time in account you can just paste the commission. And as well too, you can still create the commission in there when you are creating that account. But what this basically works for is, let's say in a situation someone is paying 1,000 every day, and the person does maybe 30 days, and then your commission for that month should be 1,000, and then the person did like up to 60,000 in that same month, which you had updated it on the extra savings, right? That attracts additional commission, right? Before now, you will need to go and edit that account to change the commission, right? But you don't need it. So that extra commission, just type it in here in the commission section, and it will deduct it from the account, and then it goes to your commission. It will be added as part of your income. Remember, we are still working on report, business financial reports like that you can use to know your income, right, against your expenses and all that can be used for tax filing and all that. Okay, so this will then calculate this will be calculating your income directly for you. Also, when customer pays, for the customer that is paying 1,000 on a day basis, and then you put 1,000 for maybe the customer pays 4,000 for 4 days, and then when you're updating, it shows the balances on the messages. You've paid 4,000 and your balance is 6,000. That balance includes also your commission that you should have deducted. So the commission is only deducted when you update paid, right? When you update paid. So in this case now, once customer make payment for the first time you've updated the record, just come here and then update your commission. Remove your commission on the first day of the record, so that the balance of the customer reflects correctly. So that when you save the explanation at the end of the month, that okay, the balance you'll be getting before is this, but at the end now, because we remove our commission, yeah, this. So from day one, you can update your commission and then the balance reflect. Okay, I hope that also explains that very well. Another thing we've done is we've introduced we've introduced weekly thrift. We do not have weekly thrift before now, right? When you create new thrift, can you see now we now have weekly? So those that contribute on a weekly basis, right? So they can then now. So let's just see how the weekly works. Let's see. I think we should have the weekly already in here, so you can see in here. Let's see. So these are the weekly works. Okay. Yeah, similar. Okay, so we've updated weekly. So what other thing have we done on this? Okay, other thing we've done on this is you can then now also grant access to your marketers, to your staff, to your tellers. Now you go to menu, you go to location management, and then once you click on any of your staff, you see edit, you click on edit, and then you click on manage location, manage assets. Before now we have just a toggle, so we now have manage assets there. So you can hide total, you can add this particular hide thrift status and withdrawal. So once this is hidden, you click OK and then you update for this staff. It means that this staff will not be able to perform withdrawal transaction on his account, and then will not be able to change the status of that account to paid. So you are managing their access, restricting their access. All those transactions, if they need to do it, they go through the admin. And if a day, okay, there's a day for our withdrawal, right? Or there's a day for our payout, you can then give them access for that day, maybe in the office, and then they do it, they do that. And once that day is done, you go and disable it again. You have your internal control, yeah, how you enter processes. So that is what that update is for, right? Okay, so what other thing have we done? I think basically now that is the new update that we have on yeah, on thrift. Yes, so thank you everyone. Yeah, please update your app on Play Store. Apple Store is currently on the way. We are here to update that. Then make sure all your staff update their app as well too. Yeah, thank you.